Hi, Jonathan Pickup. Welcome to my podcast 085. What I'd like to show you is something I've been working on lately. Introduction to Building Information Modeling for Vectorworks 2009. It's something I've been calling the Vector Workout, and it's a new way of presenting training information. What you're going to see is the introductory movie for the training kit. It'll show you what the table of contents is, it'll show you how the kit's structured, and so on. Hi, my name's Jonathan Pickup. Welcome to the BIM Vector Workout 2009. First question is, what is BIM? Everyone talks about this BIM, this Building Information Modeling. What does it really mean? What it really means is that we're going to use more three-dimensional information and non-graphic information like stuff you type in. You could attach it to doors, for example. We're going to use that kind of stuff to make it quicker to draw in Vectorworks. So, what could it be? For example, we could use a wall. A wall has 2D component, has 3D stuff, you put holes in it with windows. Vectorworks knows the area of that, so you could extract the area off the wall because Vectorworks knows the total surface area less the area of the wall. You could also attach information to that wall, you know, like the insulation value, what the cladding material is, and then you can create a report from that. Doors can have things like the door location, the apartment number it's going into, what type of door it is, what the hardware it is got on it, and so on. So there's a lot of information that we could use. Now a lot of people don't know how to get Vectorworks to work with this BIM component or with this BIM concept. That's what this manual is all about. The manual is not designed to become a high-end productivity manual that tells you everything. That would be called the complete architect, and this isn't it. So this is to get you started with building information modeling. Now on the movie here you can see the PDF file. You have to open this file with Adobe Acrobat Reader. Number one, if you don't open it with Acrobat Reader, you won't see. In fact, you won't even be watching this movie. So the way I've made this is that there are several topics down the side here. Click on one, takes you straight to that topic. If you want to, you can work through these sequentially. So they're set up in a sequential way from document setup right through to creating things like exporting. There's a list of topics we can look at along here. Click on one and there it is, drawing the foundation walls. So we can play this movie. Now to play the movie, you just click anywhere in this area here and the movie will start. Normally what will happen is you'll get this dialog box. Do you want to trust this? Say play multimedia content and add this to my list of trusted documents. Otherwise you'll always have this dialog box. When you click on play, then my movie starts. Now there's a little start pause button here, foundation wall style. So you can start the movie and you can stop it. We can draw with it. We can go back to Vectorworks if we want and have a look at Vectorworks and then come back and play the movie. This little dot here can be dragged along, and so you can make the movie go faster, or you can repeat bits that you want. Because we're using Adobe Acrobat, we can come up the top here and we can type in wall style maybe. Adobe Reader's found wall style there. You can click on the next button or you can go back. So keep clicking on next and it keeps going to find the words or the phrase wall style. And there it is, just going through the whole lot for you. So that's how you use this manual. I'd like to thank you for purchasing it, and I really hope that you're going to get a lot out of it. If you're interested in this new way of learning, have a look at this website. Thanks very much for watching.